guys, welcome back to my next video in the Math Kangaroo challenge from 2007 for grades 3 and 4. Today we are tackling questions 11 to 15 together. Let's think, solve and level up our math skills. Are you ready? Here we go. Problem 11. Euro is the currency of the European Union. 1 euro is equal to 100 euro cents. Helga has 5 euros. She intends to buy 5 notebooks which cost 80 euro cents each and some pencils 30 euro cents each. At most, how many pencils can Olga afford to buy? Our job is to figure out the maximum number of pencils she can buy after getting the notebooks. Olga has 5 euros. And since the transaction is in euro cents, we need to convert the euro to euro cents first. Remember, when we convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply. Since 1 euro is equal to 100 euro cents, we multiply. We multiply 5 euros into 100 euro cents, make it 500 euro cents. Now Helga will be working with 500 euro cents for her transaction. Second step, she buys 5 notebooks which cost 18 euro cents. Now we have to determine the total cost of 5 notebooks, which is 80 multiplied by 5 gives us 400 euro cents. Next step, we have to determine how much amount she has left. Now, she left 500 minus 100 is 100 euro cents. She had total 500 euro cents initially. She bought it 400 euro cents book and now she's left with 100 euro cents. Now find how many pencils she can buy. Before that, we need to know how many pencils fit into 100 euro cents. So looking into this, we have 100 euro cents and there will be 3 blocks of 30 cents and then 10 cents left. Since we are talking about the distribution of the amount and that is the equal distribution, we divide. We divide 100 by 30 gives us 3.33. Since she can't buy part of a pencil, she gets 3 pencils. So the final answer is 3 pencils, which is option C. Awesome. Ready for problem 12? Let's dive in. Let's read the problem and mark the key info. Problem 12. Basil, who is older than Peter by 1 year and 1 day, was born on January 1st, 2002. What is the date of Peter's birthday? Basil was born on January 1st, 2002. And he is older than Peter by 1 year and 1 day. Very important. So when was Peter born? Let's count 1 year and 1 day forward from Basil's birthday. So what we will do, we will add 1 year to 2002 and make it 2003. And also we add 1 more day to January 1st and make it January 2. So we land on January 2, 2003, which is option A. This is our answer. January 2, 2003, option A. Great job. Let's jump into the next challenge, which is our problem 13. Problem 13. John has 400 spaghetti strains, each 15 centimeter long, on his lunch plate. If he joined them end to end, using sauce as glue to form one long strain, what would be the length of his lunch? In this problem, our job is to find how long will the strain be. First step, find the total length of the strain. So what we will do? We'll multiply. We'll multiply 400 spaghetti strand with 15 centimeter long length, which gives us 6000 centimeter. Let us now use method of elimination first and see if we can eliminate some options. We eliminate option E. It's too high. So that's not our answer. We eliminate option C, 600 centimeter. It's too low. Now let's start with option A. 6 kilometer. The unit is kilometer. That means we have to convert smaller unit to a bigger unit, which means we divide. We divide 6000 centimeter by 100,000, converting a centimeter to meter and then to kilometer. We give 0.06 kilometer. Too low. We eliminate it. Let's move on to option B, 60 meters. Now when we convert centimeter, a smaller unit, into meter, we divide. So we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So option B, 6000 divided by 100 gives us 60 meters. Wait, this is our option B. This could be our answer. We still have one more option to look into it to find it out, the final answer. Option D, 6000 millimeter. Millimeter is smaller than centimeter. So when we are converting a bigger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply. So we multiply 6000 into 10, which gives us 60,000 millimeter, which is way bigger. Our answer is way bigger than what the option is, so we eliminated. Wow, we found our answer, option B, 60 meter. So John's spaghetti strand would be 60 meters long, a big lunch for John. This problem is a great way to practice unit conversions. Understanding when to multiply or divide is a key math skill. Keep going. Let's dive into the next challenge. Problem 14. Problem 14. Daniela has an aquarium in the shape of a cube with edges 3 dm each. She started arranging cubes with edges 1 dm each inside the aquarium, in the way you can see on the picture. At most, how many more such cubes can Daniela put into the aquarium? For this problem, we have to find how many more cubes she can fit in. First, let's find out how many cubes the aquarium can hold in total. For that, we determine the volume of a cube. Volume of a cube can be determined by multiplying length, width, and height. Each side is 3 dm. So we multiply 3 length, 3 width, and 3 height, which gives us 27. So the aquarium can hold 27 small cubes of size 1 dm in total. Now let's check how many cubes are already inside. Seeing the base of the cube, we know there are 6 cubes in here. Moving further up, we see there are 3 cubes. And on top, we have 1. So in total, we have 10 cubes already in aquarium. Now to determine empty space, we subtract. We subtract total number of cubes and cubes already in there, and which gives us 17. This means Daniela can fit 17 more cubes inside the aquarium. And this is our option C. Awesome job. Let's keep going. We have made it to the last problem of the video. You are doing fantastic. So let's finish strong and solve problem 15 step by step. Problem 15. Peter wrote a one-digit number and then wrote an additional digit to its right. He added 19 to the obtained number and got 72. What number did Peter write first? These are our options. Think about it. When you write a digit, add another next to it, the new number is not just added, it shifts. What I mean is that if we have a number 2 and if we write another digit to its right, for example 4, the first number shifts to its 10 position. So this number could be written as 20 plus 4. And this 20 can be written as 10 multiple of 2 plus 4. So exactly, if Peter has first digit as F and second digit as S, then the two-digit number becomes 10F plus S. Do you agree with me? Now, the next statement says he added 19 to the obtained number. So we add 19 to the obtained number and he got 72. That means equation becomes 10F plus S plus 19 is equal to 72. Now we have numbers on both sides. So we subtract 19 from both ends. So it becomes 0 on this side and 72 minus 19 becomes 53. So this is our final equation. 10F plus S is equal to 53. F is the first digit, S is the second digit. As a next step, let's test smartly using method of elimination. So let's test the answer choices in our equation and eliminate any that don't fit. So this is our equation and these are our options. We know F is a one-digit number. So it will be always between 1 to 9. Now let's go ahead with and test our options. So if we consider one-digit number 2 as F in our equation, it becomes 10 into 2 plus S equal to 53. This means S equal to 53 minus 20, S equal to 33. Not a one-digit number. So we eliminate option A. Option B, 5. We put 5 in this equation instead of F. Equation becomes 10 into 5 plus S equal to 53. S equal to 53 minus 50. S equal to 3. A valid one-digit number. This could be our answer. Let's try the next option. Option C, 6. We fit 6 in the equation. Becomes 10 into 6 plus S equal to 53. 60 plus S equal to 53. We subtract 60. S equal to 53 minus 60 becomes minus 7. Negative, not possible. So we eliminate option C. Option D, 7. We fit 7 in this equation and let's solve it. 10 into 7 plus S equal to 53. S equal to 53 minus 70. S becomes minus 17. Again a negative number. It's not possible. So we eliminate option D. Option E, 9. So the equation becomes 10 into 9 plus S equal to 53. S equal to 53 minus 90. 10 into 9 is 90. So it becomes 90. 53 minus 90 gives us minus 37. That's a negative number. So again, this is not an answer. So we eliminate it. So our answer here is option B, 5. Great job. We just cracked another tricky puzzle. Wow, you have made it through all 15 questions. Amazing work. But don't stop here. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep having fun with math. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new challenge. See you in the next video.